Now we have understood num key in plus button can allow us to make an object to duplicate at the same place. The second method, CTRL C and CTRL V, copy paste. Now the third method, drag and right click. It's a method to make duplicate, right? And the next is, there are few windows which can able to make us duplicate. We'll be switching to next Windows methods. So hope these three methods are known to us.
Control T.
Control D, yes. Now we'll be switching to the Control D in a little bigger way. So let us see now. First we have done this, then drag and give a right click, and now hit Control D. So it will take that much of distance, how much we have done to the first. So hope this method is clear, right? And it's in your edit menu, Control D. Is it okay? But here the software remembers what is the first distance, and the rest of the thing will follow that. But in all these methods, what happened? None of them with measurement. This is missing inside it. So let us make multiple objects with distance measurement. Here it is no distance measurement. But yes, on the center, we can able to make this duplicate object by num key plus button. So let us switch to the operation, how to make the duplicate with measurement. Now, inside the Windows menu, there is Docker, and here there is a simple button called Control Shift D. Rather than Control D, we can switch to the Control Shift D. So let's CTRL Shift plus D. What is this window? Step and repeat. And it is called duplicate. It is in the edit menu to make the duplicate, but that is in Windows menu, edit menu. But it is in Windows. So let us see what is step repeat and how does the software interact with the user. As if like we are talking like I need right side 10 object with a distance of 1 inch gap. This is how we talk generally. Exactly the same way in step repeat, the options are available. Example, select the object and ask to the software, at a distance of 1 inch, we need 5 copies in the right side. Hope we have understood now. Distance 1 inch, direction right side 5 object. So hope we have understood now how we can able to make the second object to be 1 inch distance from each other in the right side. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now the same we can talk to the downside. Rather than right, we can go for left, or else here up and down is there. Here the next command is up and down, horizontal and vertical. So let me.
Sir, no offset.
Yeah, tell me.
Here no offset. Set to space between objects.
Also, yes, space between the object, and we can find out here the up and down, how much distance you want. 1 inch, apply. Okay, here we need downside, but we don't need this in the upside to move. No offset in the upside. So only in the downside 5 object. Hope it is clear. Now we have seen how it is working on individual object, as if like we are talking with this software. And the information over here is up or down. And here onto the top, no offset, spacing between the object, and offset. Spacing between the object means this is the gap. So this gap is considered now. Now, let us go in a practical manner now. Let us make some chessboard kind of thing. Am I right? No? Start. With one, let it black. Now to the right side we need offset, spacing between the object 0, one product on the right side, and this is no offset. Apply and get it right. So hope we have understood the first pattern of the chessboard. Second, now we'll be using the downside. No offset, but here space between the object 0, but downside 1. Now it is to be get flipped. We know how to flip it. So hope these conditions and this step repeat options are clear now. No offset, or like right side, but 0 distance in between the object. That means it is exactly coming. Now, how many patterns required more here to make a chessboard? One pattern is done. How more required? To make a chessboard, we need 8 boxes, right? So 2 boxes done, then more 4 boxes required. One set is done, more 3 set is required. So to the right side. So let us go to the right side, 0 distance, 1 pattern is done, more 3 pattern required. 1, 2, 3. Hope it is clear. Same job, select the objects and ask for down more 3. Here no offset, but here 3 more to the downside. Hope we got to know how to make a chessboard within very less time. Is it clear now? The tool.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us enter into a little education topics. Let us make a periodic table. You might be knowing the periodic table. It's a complex calculation on screen. Okay, I've just taken an initiative so that anywhere you can able to get a job in education sector like Baizu, Vedanto. They are the company who are waiting for the graphic designers who can able to understand the concept. So let us make some design with concept. Logo designing and all things you will be doing. That's like I'm sure I can do it up. But now the question is like how to work with bigger concepts like periodic table. So think for a while if somebody asked to make this kind of design, correct? So this is practical oriented, maybe like a little strain initially, but this is what the market is asking. So I'll do it in your front, but you can go for more complex things beyond to this also. Is it clear? So let us take an example how to make this periodic table. And on time, people are expecting this. I don't know how to make, but this is what the questions client will ask you. Is it clear now? Chessboard is the example of so. What is the topic we are learning? How to make duplicate in CorelDRAW. And in that topic, we are dealing with step repeat. We have done with one of the example, but we are switching to the second example. And this example is regarding a science related topic, periodic table. You might be knowing this in 10th, 8th standard, this 9th standard, in science book it is same. So I'm from science background. Maybe like a little strain on your end, but my goal is not to teach the science here, but to make as an artist, the client will ask these all things. So before starting anything, the planning has to be done. Just it is a case study. Maybe it will strain you a little, but bear it. So the next design can be from your topic, anything, but multi like boxes design can be done. So we have done a game oriented design. Now we'll be doing a science oriented design. Then we can go for music related something like music, your keyboard, piano. So how to make that that type of designs? Let us see. So let us start with the periodic table. Actually, the periodic table is of 18 columns and 7 rows. So this is the matrix of periodic table, 7 and 18. My goal of speaking, once you make it know, then people will rush to you, because all school people will be needing their things to get narrated in a diagrammatic way. So at that point, you can able to help them. The first two and in the middle 10, here 10 will be there, here 2 will be there, and here 6 will be there. So in that way, it is, I mean, like 18, 2, 10, 6. And in the below, we will find it's of 14 by 2. So the matrix is 14 by 2. And here, this is 2 by 7. And here, this is 6 by 7. And here, 4 by 10. So the matrix is this. Okay. So nothing to get worry about. So I'm just noting down all the things, because wherever you're starting work, you need to understand what is the storyboard behind the design. So first one is S group, S, P, D, F. These are like orbitals, which is there in periodic table. Its capacity is 14. So this is anthenides and all things. And this is on D, and this is the P group, which is 6, which is maximum 10, and this is maximum 14 can arrange, and this is 2. So this is what the SPDF groups in periodic table. And now let us start with the S group. This is 7 columns are there, like 7. I don't know, like what is column or rows? Maybe the column is 8. Or 2 into 7. Hope the storyboard a little understandable now. I'll go for practical out. Make a small box. And what is required now? Because periodic table, the 6 group will be there, hydrogen will be on the top, and here the helium will be there. That is separate on the top there. So you can see the reference also. Hydrogen and helium are on the top, and rest of it you can see 7 and 18. Fine. And this is total. So let's go for the action plan. One, get it 2 first to the right side. So here it is to be no offset, and here spacing between the objects 0, and how many 1? We need 1 only. Done. And now to the down, how many required? 6. 1 is done, then 5 more required. So go for no offset, and here to the downside, more 5 required. Get it? Okay. So hope this is clear. Set a color to this. The first side done. Now the next, one more onto the top side, because hydrogen goes in the top. So down offside, how much 1? 1 we require. Now to the next, here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. D group are 4. So let us make 1 to the right side. So with calculation, we're moving and change the color it. Now, how many required? Like 10 required, more 9 required in the right side now. So get it 9. And it is required down like more 3 groups. So switch to no offset here, 0 to the downside, How much required more? 3. Just go for 3. Now, second group element, like because it is math and it is pure science based, so your salary is more here because it is no more entertainment. Exactly with numbers we need to do. One box cannot be extra. So hope we got to know how to rise your value. That is what my talk here. Um, that is what the concept. Fine then. So here, the P group element will have, this is 6 more required. So let us go for one first to the right side. Right? How many? 1. Get it, no offset, and apply. And to the top side, it's required like more 2. So let us go for this one, more 6. Change the color first. 1D is done. Then more 5 required. So get for 5. And to which side? To the right side. Get it, apply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to the top, again 2 required here. And to the down, more like 3 required. So let's finish first the top side, because there is no required for like left and right. To the down, how much required? More 3. Apply. And select this upper one and change the direction to up. More 2 required. So hope we have understood now how to make a simple periodic table with this calculation. Tools we have learned, but the output does matter. Now to the top, we need one only because this is helium. So hope we have understood how to use this in a practical manner. Now let's go to the down side. Okay, it could be a little distance far away from it. So plus sign and get it down by holding the shift. And how many more required? Change the color first. We required 14 to the right side. So here no offset. Switch to the right side. How many more? 13 more required. Get it, apply. And set it down. One more downside, not right side. While you are doing a simple project, all the tools will come into the picture. I'm not telling like doesn't require to practice and all things or coming to the issues, but my goal of speaking like make a simple event, all the tools will come into the picture and you can do much more better than any experienced person because it is practical. And to the downside, now how many? 1 required. Get it right. So hope we have understood now how to make a periodic table with the help of your this knowledge. Is it clear? The Ardhamayanda? And it is separate. You can make it to go for animation also later on. And rest values and text will be added up. That is separate. So only the framing part I'm just speaking about. How to add the frames. And with distinguished colors, you can add it. So you can see the input and the output. Though it is a very complex structure, but we can do it up easily. It's okay. And then let us move to again a higher, but task of the day. Make a complex checker calculation, checker design with a meaningful information. Is it okay? Now let's take one more example. Music keyboard. You can find here also the same concept is said. Am I right? Concept remains the same. So there is a set of what? White color. And there is 2 set of black color. One is a group of 2, another is group of 3. 2 and 3. So it's a different calculation. But Just try to get similar kind of impact. Initially, you can take 2 with a black color and get an offset into the right side. Maybe like I'm just going for 1 inch gap and apply it up. If it's too much. So let us take how much we can able to give a gap. This is for the width of your file. Control C, Control V, right? Into 2. Apply. Maybe like this or this. Select, apply. The same gap we have given. Now this group required to be duplicate. And it required, what is the gap of a file? Almost like 1, 2, 3. You can do calculation here. Because after this, we need the gap should be this 3 plus this 3, 6, 7 gap. So that is a separate calculation, but yes, you can have a try. Yes, go for more one group with the gap. But how to get it set and exactly on the measurement, it will be done through the calculation only. Now drag it down and send it back. Drag it down, send it back. How to send back? Ordering, send to complete back and change the color to white. Now this is to be get repeated. So it is like without gap, 0 distance gap, right side, 10 copies. Apply. So hope we have understood now how to get the same job done in the repeated manner. 3. Is it clear? Just have taken an initiative, but the calculation to be get done. So let us make the gap of 3 now. So the math is going somewhat other way, but just have a try by watching to this design. So I'm not getting the calculation now. So does it similar gap or one gap it is to be there? That is to find out. Because 3 pattern will be in a different position. Complete one gap around. Okay. So this is how to be done. So make the storyboarding first, then it will be easy to get the things to be done. But I'm not getting now the storyboard properly. Yes, maybe like it is not required here. No, right. Or else this design is bigger than that. But have I tried to do this? I have not calculated proper now. But these 2 are the reference for you. What are those? Chessboard making and periodic table. Is it clear? Chess and periodic table. Get it out. So hope we have understood now how to make this repeated design within less time. Now the repetition is not only with the boxes with position. Now the repetition will be done in rotation also. So let us go for the next tool to be learned before we go to know duplicate by step repeater. Transformation is a window which allows us to do the duplication in a bigger way. Windows, Docker, transform, Alt F7. What is the next window? Transform. Alt plus F7. Here we can do a lot of math together. Example, position to the right side, how many copies? Apply. Relative position, something is there. Increase and see how it is work. Relative position, visible and apply. The position again can be done with calculation with reference point here. Now the second thing, we can go for rotation, and position can be here and get how many copies we need. 10 copies. So 360 divided by 10. Apply. Is it okay? Now the math is working on the back end. So let us see the impact in a bigger way. Draw your design. Switch the reference point. 26 copies required. And divide 360 degree by 6. Hope we have understood how to make a complex design with the math. This is also duplication. Now the beauty of this duplication, just fill the color of your choice, anything you want. And there is a option here called combine. Am I right? Control L. Check the magic on your screen. The common area becomes transparent. Is it clear? To draw a floral art, it becomes much more easier. Hope it is done. Is it clear now? Do you have the mind now? How to make a radial art with the help of your transform button. So what you have learned now? Radial art. Here mathematics is clear, and we have fused that with the combine of. Already we have learned combine. Both fused together to make this floral art. And while transforming in the rotation, we have done two jobs. In the transform radial, two jobs has been done. What are the two jobs? We have changed the reference point. Source reference point has been changed, center point. And then angle, like copies, and angle is done through the division of 360 to the number of copies. So two events has been done inside the radial format. One, central change. Second, number of copies add. Third, a radial measurement. Radial measurement. And the radial measurement, total value 360 degree divided by how many copies we have placed here. Then ultimately it will go for exact calculation. So hope this design is ready. It's a combined format. We can change the color at any time. So we are in the radial art. So before step repeat, and we have done two design there. Now it is radial art. I mean like transformations. So where we are rotating the object. Again, we have done few more action here by the combine. Now the same circle, and the thickness remains same or a little bigger. Now how to bring them all into the center? What is to be done in Corel to bring every object on the center? Control A and CE is one of the method. Next method, Control A, just hit the P. It will come to the page center. Is it clear? It's okay. Now we've seen how to make a bounding box radial art. Now hold the shift button, drag, make a radial art within very less time. First option automatically done the things, and second option is combined, and third option is a bounding box. Is it clear? So we are just adding some extra value to this, but rather than entertainment, we can go for information. So as if like periodic table is information, right? That's why your value is right a little more. Exactly the same way. Here combined done, a lot of calculation and design has been done, but it could be add up to a higher value if it is related to any subject, any other subject. So that may rise our value. So the faster we can think, it's better, because Baiju, Vedanto, Topper, all these are the example of multimedia students who thought in a different manner to penetrate inside the education system with multimedia. So if others can does, anybody can does. I mean to say that. But take any classroom book and try to convert that into a graphic format. Maybe any field you are interested. I'm not speaking do periodic table, doesn't require. If you are into the music, yes, you can switch to the music and try how to make this keyboard. It is required. So you see, like when an experienced person, brain doesn't work sometimes, and it is required. Who does, they win. So make a keyboard design with the help of your either transform or by step repeat. So hope transform clear. Matham calculation okay. So it for position, it for angle, then skewing, flipping, all these things are there. So have a try on this transform. This is quite important in Corel. Duplicating with measurement, duplicating with degree calculation, and duplication or crowd multiplication with scaling and mirror. Fine then. So hope we try to catch the eye to the transform side, and now the task. Two tasks. Task number one. Make a different pattern, design with step repeat. Second, use Alt F7, that is transform window. Where rotation, position, scaling, all the things works together. Is it clear? Two tasks on your screen is visible. Now, any questions you can raise. So let me see. Some of the output has been given. So let us check the output. So the chat box, hope you have downloaded. Let me download the task. So it may be JPEG of your document. We can place there. So yes, nice. So it's a different radial format has been tried out with the help of what? Counter, right? Manoj? ఏమి యూజ్ చేసింది ఇది?
Blend, sir.
Blend, okay, fine. So blend with
Pavel.
3 blender, 2 blend,
Yeah.
2 steps. Fine.
Yes, sir. 2 steps.
Right. So you can mention here the tools used because already text has been done. Yes. Now this design can be done in 3 different manners. Am I right? One
Yes.
is Transform window now, scaling is there. We can make scale and two-step scaling down. Second, we can use the counter where you can drag it up. Third, with the blending. Fourth, the manual way. If somebody doesn't know any tools also, he will start off doing duplicating and placing in the center and alignment and center. So this concept can be done in 4 to 5 different ways. You know all these things. So you people are now highly qualified to make a design in 4 different manners. But on spot, where which technique you are adopting, that makes sense. Is it clear? So try to do the same job in 3, 4 different manner, and every method does have its own importance. That's why they've given. Fine then. So any more? But the task is this: make this music keyboard, and in the next session we'll see your output. You see, like I tried, but my brain didn't work. That means what? Experience doesn't matter. If you can think, you're a winner. So hope it is clear now. That means anyone can able to make magic. My goal of speaking that. So, and we need the artist who the thought come and plain talk like this, make this as what. So what is to be get prepared? I mean, like manually you can do, but I'm speaking how to use the tools and get it done. Duplication chase ala chase chechu. Control D, but transform window, step repeat, all these things has to work out. Is it okay? Fine. So hope in today's session, till now, we got to know what are the different techniques to make multiple object handling on screen. Quite important. Next, we'll switch to a major topic in CorelDRAW that is called power clipping. Just I'm introducing now. In depth, we can move in the next session also. Power clip. This is most important topic. The name looks something, but it is not a new thing for you. Already you have learned in Photoshop. Already you have learned in Illustrator. In Photoshop, we do have a concept called clip mask. Am I right? In Photoshop, there is an option called clip mask. Does it there? How many type of masks are there in Photoshop? Just it is not like I'm questioning you need to answer, but yes, this industry needs this. Masking in Photoshop of 4 types, right? Clip mask, vector mask, quick mask, and what is the other mask? Layer mask. Does it okay? Just I'm making a refresh. Hope everyone's Photoshop is finished, right? And then Photoshop open. Okay. No issues, like it is a refreshment. In Photoshop, there is a technique called clip mask. My goal of speaking over here is not to get pointing like you need to answer this. No, just to add up extra value, I'm talking here. So the clip mask is a technique where one layer goes to the next layer in Photoshop. Alt, Control, G is a keyboard shortcut in Photoshop to make a clip mask. My goal of making you refresh, already you have learned. Only the platform and the software is changing. No big things you're learning. So in every software it is there. In Illustrator, it is there as a clip mask. Control 7 is the hotkey. Just I'm making a refresh. Same topics you'll be learning in different software in different places. Alt Control G is the hotkey for a clip mask. CTRL plus G in Photoshop. It is in Illustrator. It is technically called clip mask here also. But in Corel language, it is called power clip. So before coming to the Corel, whatever you have learned, I just try to get it connect. Hiding something with the help of other object is called clip mask. Is the process of power clip. So hope the fundamental is understandable before going to the software. So let us see the method of doing the clip mask. Let us take a new page. Let me close this. A lot of things can be done in transform. So I've just closed, but we have done one. It could be a lot. So let us take an example. We want to hide this circle with the help of this rectangle. Step number one, select the object to whom you need to hide. Go to the object menu, and there is an option called power clipping. What is the option? Power clip. And switch to the option called place inside the frame. That means the software is asking, you have selected one object, it can be placed in another frame. Click over here and go to that particular frame, place inside the frame. Then the software will turn the cursor into arrow mark. Then it will show on which object I need to place this. Just click on the target object. Job is done. So hope we have understood now how to hide one object inside the other object. And the topic was power clip. What is the method? Step number one. Select the object. Then step number two, go to the object menu and power clip. Where it is the option? Object menu and power clip. Object, then power clip. After that, in the third place, the software will ask which is the target object. Click on the target object. Click on target object. Is it okay? Power clip. Steps Arjamanda. What is the result? Then done. So your job is finished. Now where it is used? What is the practical application of it? How to modify the power clip? Now the next will be started. So first method, making method is known now. Select the first object, go to the object menu, switch to the power clip and click on the target object. The selected object will go to the target object. Now it's the time to get it modified. After the power clip is done, how to modify the power clip? It can be done by the option called edit. Inside the edit, the target will not move. The selected object can move anywhere you like. After you feel like it is finished, then go for finish button. So hope we have understood now how to make a visiting card with a different cuts. And the option is called power clip. Edit it. And it is not like only the position we are moving. We can make it duplicate and move it up. Go for finish. So hope we have understood now. Power clip is not only a hiding tool, but it also looks like a cutting tool. So we are just cutting one to the other, but it is in fact not cutting. The information really there. Whenever it required, you can bring it up. So hope we have understood now how to make the power clipping and how to modify the power clip. Is it clear? Next, higher complex now. One power clip can be placed inside the other power clips. So let us take example. The two object has to come to this. Select this object, go for object menu, switch for power clip, place inside the frame. So hope we have understood now how to work with double power clip. Does it clear? Is it okay? Now the editing, yes, this is your first editing. And next it is your second editing. This is your last editing finish. Then this is second finish. I hope we have understood now how to handle double power clip. So now the power clip into double. Multiple power clip is allowed. So not only double, multiple power clips allowed. Now let us move on to the screen. Let us go for a practical output. So hope the theory is clear of the power. Let us do with some images. How to import the images? There is a command called input. Very simple. It will show you the hard disk. Switch to the target image and bring them here. Anything. On your cursor, the image will be there. Just drag it up. Hope the job is done. Your image came up. Now we need the image to be get cut with a particular shape. So how to do that? Yes, take this shape. It may be predefined shape or it may be a generated shape. Step number 1, select this object and go for power clip and ask for place inside the frame. Which frame? This frame. So hope the job is done. Is it clear? So now we've seen how to make photo cutting in CorelDRAW. By start with a very predefined shape, then slowly you can go to the next shape. Hope now got to know the power clip in an image. Same job, same thing, import. Go for importing. Now let us see how does power clip interact with the text material. Get it bold. Select object, power clip, place inside. Yes. So hope we have understood now how to inject the photograph inside the text. So to understand this, yes, we can able to make the background to be black and send it to backside ordering. You can see. Is it clear? Now we have seen the power clip inside a text also, with the image also. And this is, I don't know what is this exercise. Or we can consider this as a visiting card kind of things. To make a visiting card, this concept is used. So let us go for practical output. Use power clip and make a cover page design. Task is very clear. Use power clip and make a cover page design. I'll do one, but take the reference from the net and do it. Step number 1, A4 size paper, double click on the rectangle. Job is done. Now the next, break it up. How to break? Yes, we do have enough tools over here inside the cropping and all. So we can try it out with erase tool. So to get it size bigger, we can raise this and click and click. So hope we got to know how to use the erase tool to get a cut. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now after the cut, yes, it could be separate out by the help of your object break apart. Now this is separate and below one is separate. So let us inject an image inside it, file, import, okay, click, go, object, power clip, place inside this. So easy. Is it clear? So I'm just trying my level best to get you reach the subject in an artistic way. Now the cuts. And here, already you have learned about break apart. So hope we have understood now how to make a cut and make a image to get insert inside the cut. Cover page design, just a few title or text material would be add up. One of the exercise showing the feature of a cover page design. Next, make a visiting card. Already business card are there, predefined sizes. Have a double click. Go for F4, fit to the window. F3, down. And here we need to have different type of shapes on the corner. Just we have started how the same thing could be done. When you ask to software, power clip, place inside this and edit over here. And finish. Not only the text, predefined shapes, but we can able to use here these shapes too. So let us take this example. This is a very curvical shape. Often in the visiting card, you can find this kind of cuts will be there. And how does this cut happens? Get it finished. So alphabet could be used as a shape. Alphabet is alphabet for public, but for you, just a shape. And 100 of designs are there in the alphabet. You know about it. So now what we have seen, how to make a visiting card layout with the help of power clip. And then before, how to make cover page design with the help of your power clip. And the next, what are the difference of power clipping can be done with image or with text. And try to do this and the rest of the things on your front. That's it for the day. We'll meet in the next session with the hide options. If any questions, can raise it up. And the task is very clear. I've written the task also. Checkerboard pattern, anything, and power clip making visiting card layout or like cover page design. Will I end? Thank you very much. I'm stopping the screen now. It will not be good.